Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals exercise 7.4 question number 15. Let's see the question. Integrate 1 by root of x minus a into x minus b dx. Here we have 1 by root of x minus a into x minus b. It's in multiply and also in root means let me solve it. Solve it is just multiplying the binomial multiply here. X square minus it becomes a plus b. Taking minus sign common, it become a plus b into here minus into minus will become plus ab dx. This formula which you have learnt in 9th standard. Here x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Differentiation of this is not in the numerator means we need to go with the formula as it is 1 here. 1 by root of x square minus a plus b into x plus ab means taking this 2 I am going to use completing the square method to solve this. Here completing the square method means remember that always here I am changing this to be a minus b whole square. For a minus b whole square, the x as it is minus I am taking this to a minus b whole square. Your a will be your x and your b is nothing but the x coefficient divided by 2 will be your b. So remember always taking your a to be x and for b x coefficient divided by 2. So now integration 1 by root of your x minus for b a minus b whole square, right? So a plus b by 2 the whole square. Now after writing a minus b whole square minus b square is a plus b by 2 the whole square plus ab dx. Now solve this, it becomes integration 1 by, everything is in root, so it becomes root of x minus a plus b by 2 the whole square. Here I'll solve you and show that it becomes a plus b the whole square by 2 plus ab. Now we have a minus sign here and a plus sign here. This becomes minus a square plus b square. Taking minus sign inside, it becomes minus b square minus 2ab. Here solving this, it becomes plus 2ab. Here it becomes 4, so 4ab. This becomes 4, so taking LCM it becomes 4ab. Solving this becomes minus a square minus b square plus 2ab by 2. So again taking minus sign outside, it becomes a minus b whole square, because plus a square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a minus b whole square by the whole thing divided by 2. So this is in the form of a minus b whole by 2 the whole square. So I can write this to be minus of a minus b by 2 the whole square. So this is in the form of 1 by integration root of x square minus a square. The whole thing will be your x square here minus a square is a minus b by 2 the whole square. So this we have a direct formula of log x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So we can directly substitute the formula here. For integrating this, we will be getting log mod, the place of x will be writing x minus a plus b by 2 plus root of, here for this root value we can directly write the question, this or this. We can directly write the question because this is nothing but what we all got is the question. So we have modified this, we have modified this, we have modified this means the final will be your x minus a into x minus b mod plus c. This will be your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.